I am going to edit the image, so let's make addition and choose the different features here so that it is our more filter. We will use the adaptive wide angle. We have adopted it. It's a layer using inner glow noise here. Here we have the lot of options. I will pick up that one so that it is we can remove the background as well. So we will use the pattern stamp. Here we have the filter in filter gallery.